Welcome to 6th class students. This is Asif from Modern International School, Hiswa branch. Today we are going to discuss about divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so forth of chapter number 2nd, factors and multiple. Okay, now please get ready. Let's take started. First, divisibility of 2. Now see, a number is divisible by 2 if its place digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6, like ones place digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, now let us figure out with the help of example. See example, suppose 20. See, here is the ones place is 0. In 0, this is divisible by 2. Now next example, here is the ones place 8. So this is divisible by 2. Suppose this is the ones place is 4. This is also divisible by 2. Okay. Now next, divisibility of 3. Divisibility of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if sum of its all digit is divisible by 3. Now see, let us take an example. Suppose 1, 2 or 3. This is the number. Is this number divisible by 3 or not? Let us check. 1, 2 plus 3. Now first of all, add their digits 1 plus 2 plus 3. This becomes 6. And check, is it divisible by 3? Yes, 6 is divisible by 3. So this whole number, this given number is also divisible by 3. Another, we can take the another example, 2, 2 and 2. Let us see. First, find sum of all digits. 2 plus 2 plus 2. This becomes 6. This is 6 is divisible by 3. So this given number is divisible by 3. Okay. Now see the next, divisibility of 4. Okay. See, a number is said to be divisible by 4 if a number formed by last 2 digit is divisible by 4. Let's see. Example 7 to 8. Let us see, is it divisible by 4? In order to check is divisible by 4, means see the last 2 digits, see the numbers formed by last 2 digits. So here is the last 2 digit is 28. Is 28 divisible by 4? If it is yes, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Now divide by 4. 4 7 ja, yes, 28. That means this number 728 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now next, divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones place digit is 0 or 5. I repeat, a number is said to be divisible by 5 if its ones place digit is 0 or 5. Let us see example. Suppose 2020. See, ones place is 0, so it is divisible by 5. Okay. Now see, here is the ones place is 5. It is also divisible by 5. Why? Because ones place is 5 or ones place is 0, means the whole number will be divisible by 5. Okay. Now we can take any the greater and the huge number, it doesn't matter, but we have to focus on the ones place. If the ones place digit is 0 or 5, means the whole number, this huge number will be divisible by 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Why? Because ones place is 0. Okay. Now I hope you will get. Okay, very good. Now next, divisibility of 6. Yes, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Let's see. Suppose a number 12. Look at this number. If this number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, that means this given number is also divisible by 6. That means this is divisible by 2, because check, if the ones place is 2, it is divisible by, yes, 2. Very good. Now check for divisibility of 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Why? Because the sum of its digit is sum of its digit is 3, and 3 is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 6. Now we can take another example. Think it about 42. Is it divisible by 6? First check, is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. Why? Because one's place is 2, so it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now check for 3. If it is divisible by 3, now first of all add their digits. So the sum of their digits, sum of its digit is, this is 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. Hence we can say this given number is divisible by 6. Okay. Now next point, divisibility for 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between the twice of the ones place, the difference between the twice of its ones place and the numbers obtained except the ones place. Let us see with the help of example. Suppose this is the example, 680. Sorry, see, suppose this is an example, 6840. Let us see how is it divisible. Okay, by 7. See the difference between twice of its ones place here. Friends, once again I repeat, divisibility for 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between a number formed except one digit and twice one's digit is either 0 or multiple of 7, then the number is divisible by 7. Let us understand with the help of example. So this is the number 6804. Okay, now see the difference between the number formed except the ones digit. Here is the except ones digit. Now the difference between this number, difference means subtract, and this twice ones place, then this is 680 minus 8, this becomes 672. Now check if it is divisible, if it is multiple of 7 means, if it is multiple of 7 means divisible by 7 or 0, that means this whole number will be divisible by 7. Okay, now check. If you check, then you will get, yes, this is also divisible by, this is also 6 1 6 3 4 6 7 6 42. Yes, this number is divisible by 7, so this given number is also divisible by 7. Okay, now see the another example. Okay, 137. Have a look, is it divisible by 7 or not? Now first see the difference between twice ones place digit difference and the number formed except the ones digit, this number formed, this becomes, this is 14 and this is 13, so this becomes 1. Yes, is it divisible by 7 or not? No, because the difference between the twice ones place and the number formed except one's digit is not multiple of, sorry, is not a multiple of 7 or is equal to. This means this number is not divisible by 7. Okay. Please note your homework. You have to learn all the points. Divisibility for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 7. Okay. Then we will continue the next point in the next video lecture. Okay. Please keep watching this video till the end and very carefully. Okay. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.